Welcome to this channel. This is Majesty. In our last video we analyzed the price going to take this high because this high is Asia high, you understand? So we expect the price to take this high and then respect this particular 5-minute order block to use it to come down and take all this liquidity. But price did not return back to this particular order block, neither did price took out this Asia high, but it ended up giving us the results we're expecting by taking all this liquidity out of the market. So right now we are going to be anticipating for what a bullish trend. So I was able to find out this particular trade, which is going to give 1:54. That means if you're risking 1% of your account to enter this into this particular trade, you're going to make 54% in return after this trade plays out. So let's do the analysis together. I was able to result to this particular trade that is going to give 1:54. So make sure you watch all these videos to the end so you won't miss any points. And then if you're new to this video, kindly subscribe. I will appreciate you doing that. So there's not any point or price coming back to this particular high and they're respecting this 5-minute order block, so you have to delete it. So let me just delete all so we can analyze the market together. Remove or drain. So they just this. So let's just go to daily time frame. That is 1D. So on daily time frame, let's make use of another broker. Let's use Xauusd. On last video we discussed about this particular high. You can see what's responsible for this particular high is this particular low. You can see that immediately this low form, we have what a bullish candle, and then this candle was once a bullish candle before coming all the way down. So the what's responsible for it is this particular low, and the price end up taking this low because this high did not break anything in this left side. Can you see? Does not break anything. And then we are expecting price to respect this particular order block to use to pull back up. So we are going to be going down to lower time frame to reduce the order block because this order block is very big for me. I can't enter into this trade using this particular order block. So let's just analyze the market together by going down to a lower time frame or to find a particular place to set up what our entry. So let's just go to 4-hour order block right now, 4-hour time frame I mean. So on 4-hour time frame right now, we are able to reduce this particular order block. You can see this order block here. So can you see this order block, and the price is here to tap into it. And also if you check all this low, we have liquidity everywhere. Liquidity, all these particular places are liquidity. This one is liquidity, this one is liquidity, this one is liquidity, and also this one is liquidity. And the price end up taking all the liquidity, so we should be expecting what a bullish trend, you understand? So and then let's just go to 2-hour time frame. Let's see what's happening there. So on 2-hour time frame right now, you can see we have the same order block. This is the same order block responsible for it. So let's go to 1-hour order block, 1-hour time frame. Let's check 1-hour order block. So on 1-hour time frame right now, we can see we have different information. This is the order block on 1 hour, and then we have another order block here. So based on our analysis and then based on the particular trade we are taking and the strategy we are using, you can see that this movement here, can you see? Let me show you guys something here. This particular movement, this particular bullish movement, it ended up breaking only this particular high. Can you see this high? It ended up breaking only this particular high. So that means that price is going to go below this particular wick. Can you see? So this one is what liquidity. The reason because this movement only break one particular high, so you are not going to trust it. You're going to be making use of the order block below it. And then I've explained this thing earlier. If you don't understand how to differentiate real order block, comment in the comment section that I should make video on how to identify real order block. I'm going to do that for you guys. So you can see this high right now, it's only this is the moment that broke this high, so it's only break one particular high. So you are not going to be trusting this particular order block. So you are going to be trusting order block below it, so the price is going to to tap out this low out. So on 1 hour time frame, we able to find out that price is going to tap out this particular low here. So let's just go down, and then if you check here also, okay, if we check here also, can you see this high? This high, what's responsible for this high? It was this particular movement. What brought this movement? It was this, right? Can you see this high? What brought this high? It was this, because this movement only break one high. Price not going to respect his own order block. That's the reason why you see that price respect this particular order block and they use it to go back up. Can you see? That's just the major reason, and then that's what we're doing also here in higher time frame. Price going to price this moment only break this high, and the price going to take its own low on higher time frame. So you expect the price to take this particular low and they use it to pull back up. So let's just check this 1 hour. Let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame right now, let's check what's happening. on 15 minutes time frame right now, you can see that price only break this high. But if you notice something here, this is a doji candle. We don't know whether this candle is a bullish candle or bearish candle, so we have to confirm by using other brokers. So this particular order block, can you see this particular doji candle? We are going to confirm it using other broker, because sometimes there's a little difference between all these brokers. So let's just go to another broker for that. Let's check Wanda. So Wanda on 15 minutes, let me just check it out. So this is a particular place we're talking about. Yeah, this is a particular place we're talking about. Let's check that particular candle. So if you see the candle here now is what a bullish candle, can you see? But S cap is telling me that the candle is what a bearish candle, but right now the candle is a bullish candle, can you see? So let's just check another broker also to confirm that. So let's check forex.com. Let me see what forex.com is saying. Forex.com. So on forex.com right now, this is the area. We are expecting price to take this low out, this particular low. So let me just drop my execution block here. So on forex.com, let me show you that particular eye is bullish candle. Can you see on forex.com now, this particular doji candle is what a bullish candle. All this candle has the reason why they're ending either in bullish or bearish candle. It has a lot of reason. So let's just go back to Wanda. So let's just use Wanda to finish the analysis. So on Wanda right now, so if you check the markets, that particular candle end up with what in a doji candle, which is a bullish candle. So let's just finish the analysis here. So you have confirmed from two different brokers, and then the two brokers are telling you that price end up in what a bullish candle. So there's a reason for that. So if you check it out right now, you can see this particular movement is the one that broke this high and also this particular high. Can you see? This is the high. I classify this one as what's like a high. The reason why I classify it as a high, if you go to lower time frame, you're going to see the high here. Can you see? So this that's the reason why this candle have to end up in bullish candle. So this is a high this is a high in lower time frame, and then this another high. So price end up breaking this high, and also this high also a price end up taking it. And then what's responsible for this high is this particular order block. So in this channel, I'll be giving this particular strategy that I'm using, that every single time you see price breaking to a particular level, make use of the order block that is responsible for it, because that is where price is exactly going to go back to respect, you understand, because that area is a strong order block. You can see that price has come down to that particular area to respect it once, but price can still come down to take out the liquidity, because a lot of people are going to like to be using this order block and they set it their stop loss below it. Once price kick them out, and the price will start going on a bullish trend. So that's just for that. So if you check 15 minutes time frame right now, you can see this order block that's responsible. Let me just mark out the order block out. So this is the order block. You see this candle, this is the last bearish candle. So according to bullish order block says the last bearish candle. So this is the last bearish candle. I've aligned that one out. Let me change the color to green. So let me shade this one also to green. So if you go to like 5 minutes, let's say 5 minutes, I think you're going to like to make use of 15 minutes order block. But let me just check 5 minutes. As well as happening on 5 minutes time frame. So on 5 minutes time frame right now, you can see price took out this high. What's just wait for this high? Let me show you this high. What's just wait for this high? This low here. Can you see? And then this low, this high actually broke this, only this high. I mean this high, this moment only break this high. So every single time you see that price break one high, so just don't make use of the other block, make use of the other block below it. So the other block below this one is still this 5 minutes order block. Can you see? So it's better for us to make use of the 15 minutes order block of this 5 minutes order block. If you are using 5 minutes order block, this we are going to set your stop loss. But I want to make use of this 15 minutes order block because of spread and all those stuff. So I'm going to like to make use of this 15 minutes order block. But you can also make use of this 5 minutes order block. So let's just calculate how much you're returning with the latest. So it's about. Yep. So let's calculate how much return we are going to make using this particular 15 minutes and 5 minutes order block. So if I have to like to set my buy order, my buy is going to be A, my entry is going to be A, then my stop loss is going to be A. So this 15 minutes stop loss, 15 minute time frame stop loss, and then this 5 minutes time frame stop loss. So let's just make use of this 15 minutes time frame stop loss, and then you can also add more to it for this particular place, just for it to go up a little bit because of spread. So pricing just give you like a snap entry, and then at the end of the day your broker won't kick you in, you understand? So that's just for that. So let's just set our take profits. So if I have to set the profit, I'm going to set it here above this particular eye. Can you see this eye here? I mean this let me draw it out. Change the color to red. So I'm going to like to set my take profit here, and then if you check the ratio right there, it's 1:54, you know, and 1:51. Can you see it? 1:51. It's still the same to like 1:54. I think there's a little increase or a little increase in my entry. Understand? So if you want to like to make use of 5 minutes order block, sorry, this is my entry is supposed to be. That's why it's giving 1:54. So if you want to make use of 5 minutes order block, so your stop loss is going to be here. So at the end of the day, you're going to make 1:77, 1:77. So if you find this video interesting, like this video right now, and then if you're new to this channel, subscribe. So let's wait for this trade to play out, and don't forget to use proper money management to enter into this trade. You know that as a trader, we are all reacting to the markets. At the end of the day, price can end up kicking us out, but if you use a proper money management, you are still on the right side. See you guys in my next video.